Hi to everyone. So we are in mathematics and this is trigonometric ratios. So with this lecture, it will complete most of the basic and intermediate trigonometric functions and trigonometry up to grade 10 or 11 maybe. So further we will do in a higher studies in other lectures, but let's prove it. Prove that sine theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta divided by under root. These are the ratio. We're gonna prove this one. So we know from trigonometric identity we have already proved this one. 1 is equal to cos square theta plus sine square theta. So what you do, you like from this equation, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. You just bring cos square theta this side and the sign will be minus. So take square root on the both side in the next equation, because this is sine square theta 1 minus cos square theta. So when you take the square root of sine theta, so sine square theta 1 by 2, because square root is 1 by 2. So this becomes sine theta, and this is under root 1 minus cos square theta. So we got sine theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So this is the proof of this. From this you can prove this one. Very important in the higher studies, where you gonna use this in calculus and many other related topics section of the mathematics. Example 5. Prove that cotangent theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta under root divided by sine theta. We gonna prove this one. So we know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. This is very important. This equation always you gonna come across in calculus and trigonometry and other related subjects. This identity. So from here, cos square theta, when you take sine square theta on the other side, so cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. This is equation first. So now what we do with this equation, we're gonna take the square root on both sides, because when you take square root, so square root mean 1 by 2, so this will finish. So cos square theta whole square, take the square root 1 by 2, and this is under root. Actually we take both this side, both we put square root, but for easy calculation I did not put here, I just put 1 by 2. So is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So we got cos theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta under root. Next you have to divide both sides by sine theta. So when you divide both sides by sine theta, so cos theta divided by sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta under root divided by sine theta. And we know that cos theta by sine theta is cotangent theta. So this is cotangent theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta under root divided by sine theta. So this complete trigonometry for pretty basic and intermediate level, and I hope you guys doing well, and please subscribe and have a nice day.